In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert MindNode into PDF. Converting your MindNode map into a PDF is a great way to share your ideas with anyone, even if they don't use MindNode. It creates a clean, portable snapshot of your thoughts that works beautifully for printing, presenting, or sending to collaborators. Let's walk through it together, step by step, in a simple and clear way. First, open your MindNode map. Make sure you're looking at the project you want to export because the PDF will reflect exactly what's on your screen and what's currently folded or expanded in your map. Next, tap the Share button. You'll find it as a square icon with an arrow pointing upward. This is where MindNode gives you different ways to send or save your work. From the Share options, tap Export and then choose PDF. Selecting PDF ensures your map becomes a universal document that maintains your layout and is easy for others to view on any device. Before exporting, you'll see a couple of important options. Choose between map and outline style. Map style preserves the visual layout, the branches, colors, and structure that make mind maps so intuitive. It's ideal when you want your audience to see relationships at a glance. Outline style converts the map into a structured, linear document. This is perfect if you want a readable list of points, headings, and sub-items that's easy to scan, annotate, or integrate into documents. You'll also decide whether to include folded branches. Folded branches are sections you've collapsed to reduce visual clutter. Including them gives a complete, detailed PDF that captures everything in your project. Leaving them out keeps the PDF concise by showing only what's currently expanded. Think about your audience and the purpose, comprehensive for full handoffs or streamlined for quick reviews. When your settings look right, tap Export again. Now choose how you want to deliver the PDF. Save to files is great if you want to store it on your device or cloud storage for later use. Send via email is perfect for quickly sharing with teammates or clients without any extra steps. Open in another app lets you pass the PDF directly to a reader, note-taking tool, or messaging app for immediate viewing or markup. And that's it. With just a few taps, you've turned your MindNode map into a polished PDF, ready to share, print, or archive. Choose Map for visual clarity, Outline for structured reading, and adjust folded branches to match the level of detail you need.